video I'm going to show you guys this soft nude Navratri makeup look. This is such a classy, basic Indian festive look. I haven't done an Indian festive look in a while. I think I've been doing this video after like 6 or 7 months. So I'm going to be using all the drugstore products, and I'll leave all the product link in my description box in case you guys want to check that out. So yeah guys, I'm super excited to show you guys this makeup look right here. I hope you guys will find this video helpful. So without further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. For this festive look, I'm going for a full coverage base. So I'm mixing these two foundation. This is the Nykaa SkinShield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm going to take both at the back of my hand and I'm going to mix them both. Just one pump is enough. Because it is a full coverage foundation, I'm not going to go for more than one pump. So let me just mix it with the help of my finger and with the help of my beauty blender. I'm using the PAC beauty blender. I'm going to buff this foundation to my skin. For concealer, I'm going for the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. Then to set my base, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade 15 Light. Next, I'm going to fill my brow. For that, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. For my eyeshadow, I'm going for the Wet n Wild Color Icon Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going for this beautiful light brown shade all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going for this rusty brown color to give definition to my crease. For my eyeliner, I'm going for the Maybelline New York the Colossal Bold Liner. For my mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Now, I've been really loving this mascara currently. This actually gives that long, thick and voluminous lashes instantly. So yeah guys, this is my favorite mascara currently. So yeah guys, we are done with the mascara part, but I'm not going for fake eyelashes as we have already went with the bold eyeliner. Then with the help of this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm going to tightline my upper lash line. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Glitter Single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Toasty. I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my eyes and to the middle section of my eyes. So I'm just going to pack it very gently with the help of my finger. For blush, I'm going with the Maybelline Color Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paint. This is in the shade 13 How Dare You. using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder. This is in the shade Blossom Glow. So I'm going to apply this highlighter on the highest point of my face, that is my cheekbones, my nose bridge and my chin as well. So this is not a very bold highlighter. This gives you a very nice satin finish. Also, this highlighter does not have any chunky or glittery particles. For my bronzer, I am going for the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Since I do not have a drugstore bronzer right now with me, so I'm just going to go with this bronzer right now. Next, for my lipstick, I'm going to go with the K Beauty Matte Lipstick in the shade Gossip. Now lastly, to set this whole makeup, I'm going to use the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. So this is the complete Indian festive look, guys. You can create this look on Navratri, on Diwali. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and find this video helpful and useful. Also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And I leave all my social media links down below in my description box. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.